Hey guys, welcome to another video of introductory chapter. In previous video, we had seen how Revit structure differs from other disciplines. And now in this video, we are gonna overview the Revit structure workflow. Means we will learn how structural firm works. Linking architecture. As we know, for any construction project, planning is the initial step, which is generally done by architects. All information from architect is linked with our Revit file, on which we are gonna structurally design it. Generally, architectural Revit model or architectural CAD plan is linked for easing our structured modeling process. Column position is finalized according to it, and modeling starts from here. After placing column to its position, footing is placed below it. Similarly, on top of column, beams are placed upon which slab is to be rested. For vertical transportation in building, stair or lift room is created. Now comes the important and technical part of structural design. In this stage, various firms use different software to analyze the building structure. Some of most used softwares are ETABS, StatPro, Robot Structural Analysis, etc. In this software, various loads are applied on a 3D model according to standard codes. Finally, concrete design is done as per standard code, which varies country to country. After this process, we get detail of reinforcement as a result. These details are integrated with a 3D Revit model, according to which reinforcement detailing is done. For reinforcing a 3D Revit model, a full chapter is made where we learn different techniques of reinforcing. After completing modeling and reinforcing a 3D model, here comes the main part, which is directly to be dealt with a client or customer. This is the step of documentation. In this step, all design work done by us is presented in as much as informative and simple way, so that anyone can easily understand. Sheet creation. In our Revit structure, sheet is easily extracted from our 3D model and then properly annotated and tagged as per detail. We will be learning this in our result and documentation chapter. For more detailed requirement, schedule of rebar is also extracted in just simple steps. A 3D view is exported as per our design. Its photo or video can also be rendered through rendering software like Lumion, V-Ray, etc. Now we are done with workflow of Revit structure. In the next chapter, we're gonna learn about Revit user interface. So I'll see you in the next chapter. Take care.